Hi friends, welcome back. In this video I'll be discussing some of the dark sides of software testing. Like whenever you're trying to build a career in software testing, what are the other side of dark side of software testing also you should understand that I'm going to discuss in this video. So the first thing normally we see the dark side is lack of recognition. In certain organizations, software testing is not got the good recognition, appreciation for the kind of work normally the software testing team really put in, and in the overall development process may not treat you on par with the development team. Could also leads to low morale or even job dissatisfaction is also there in certain organizations. And the next one is the time and resource constraint is also the key dark side of a software testing, where for performing the software testing you may not get the right resources, right time as well, because they will ask you to do everything within a given time with very less time, where we have to rush to get completed, where you cannot complete within a given time all the things, where you will have to go for risk-based testing. Even that could also leads to lack of quality or lower quality, which also gives a negative impact when customer gives any feedback later stages. And the next one is the repetitiveness or tedious work also will be there whenever you are performing as a software tester. The majority of the time what happens, software tester will keep doing the more of a repetitive task, especially this kind of repetitiveness and tedious tasks will happen in the manual testing, could leads to lot of pressure on you. Next dark side is adversarial relationship also could happen, especially in certain organization where the relationship between the developers and testers are not appropriate. Normally the developers will view testers as their enemies, and who are testers normally they're finding faults in the code. Sometimes what happens, it's not just finding in the fault with the code, also with they will assume that they're finding the fault with the developers as well. This can leads to a lot of tension all the time. Lack of collaboration also will be there with the development, which can create lot of negative impact on the software quality. And the next dark side is there are in certain organization even the career progression is also very limited when we are just working with the software testing, where limited career progression may happen, and because availability of opportunities are very limited in certain organization. When if it is a very big organization, you can easily move on to the different career path, but if it is a very small organization where your testing efforts will be limited to certain area, then that may leads to limiting of your career progression. In a overall, as a conclusion, as a not just as a developer or tester we should work upon, as an organization also we should work upon to see what are the areas where testers are negatively getting impacted, and as a leadership team they should work together to come up with how we can mitigate these negative impacts, so that software testers also should feel that they are also be part of the overall software development life cycle that would leads to a positive and as well as productive testing environment. I hope you guys got a clear idea what are the dark sides, what are the different things which could leads to impact on the overall testing quality. If you guys really like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed, do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.